Welcome back children to your GK class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, green energy. And before I start with the new lesson, I hope children you all are staying safe at home and taking good care of yourselves. So let's begin with the new chapter and with the green energy. So basically the energy is divided into two different parts. The very first one is the renewable energy and the second one is the non-renewable energy. Renewable energy is something which can be renewed, फिर से आ सकती है, but non-renewable energy is something which is going to finish one day, जो एक दिन खत्म हो जाएगी, जिसको हम renew नहीं कर सकते हैं. For example, coal, petroleum, oil and natural gas. Here we are going to discuss some of the renewable energy. Now these renewable energy are the energy which produces less of pollution also. ठीक है, इसीलिए इनको green energy कहा गया है because they are non-polluting. इसमें से pollution नहीं निकल रहा है. Whereas अगर आप कोल को जलाइए, right, there is pollution, smoke is there. So the very first one here is the sun has produced energy of billion of years, and the energy produced by sun is known as the solar energy. This energy is used in the form of heat, like sun rays falls on earth and it is in the form of heat, and the earth consumes this heat energy, and these days we can use it in various ways. In the last video in moving cars or moving machines, we have already discussed that the cars can also use the solar energy to run. Similarly, we can use the solar energy in the form of solar cookers, right? We can also use it for cooking. Street lights are very common, and solar energy, say inverters, are also running these days. So these are the various uses of solar energies. The next is wind energy. From a long time people are trying to harness this energy, उसको use करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Earlier people used to grind crops, हवा से उसको एक मशीन सेटअप करते थे जिससे कि क्रॉप को ग्राइंड कर सकें, वाटर पंप कर सकें, कट द वुड एंड sawmills. बट टुडे वी हैव विंड मिल्स. ठीक है, विंड मिल्स हैं जिससे कि हम ग्राइंड भी कर सकते हैं. इवन दे कैन प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. And many countries are using windmills to produce electricity these days. Which country is known as the land of windmills? Can anyone tell me this answer? Yes, very good. It is Netherlands. Netherlands is also called the land of windmills. Here is the next one, that is biomass energy. And this comes from the landfill or rubbish dump. Now here what we do, we dump the waste, the biodegradable waste. Now what is biodegradable waste? जो waste सड़ सकता है, ठीक है, वो जैसे कि घर का vegetable peelings भी हो गया, it can include that also. तो इन सब चीज़ को जब हम pit में डालते हैं, गड्ढे में डालते हैं, and it starts to rot. When it starts to rot, जब वो सड़ता है, then it generates a gas, and that gas can be used as a renewable source of energy and is called the green energy. Now why is it called the green energy? Because जो गंदगी थी, जो बाहर था, उसको हमने dump किया, and वही जो है we can use it as a green energy, and less of pollution is there. And this is used for cooking, lighting, and for other energies also. Means it can be used in many forms. Basically, importantly, it is used for cooking. The next is tidal power. Now this is also a renewable energy. Now you observe that in oceans there are high tides and low tides. So these high tides and low tides are harnessed to produce basically electricity. Now when these high tides come or low tides come, और ये भी वापस जाते हैं, then there is a type of dam. It is a type of dam. It is not exactly a dam, but a type of dam is built there. तो जो receding water है, यानी जो पीछे waves आई and then they go back to the ocean. तो जब ये पीछे जाती हैं, then they are passed through turbines, and these turbines convert that energy into the electricity basically. And this is how we can use the tidal power to produce electricity. The next comes is the geothermal energy. Now this word itself describes geothermal energy. Geo means earth, thermal means heat. So the heat energy which is produced by the earth itself is the geothermal energy. So when the water flows over the hot rocks, that water becomes steam or hot water, and these are known as mud pools or hot springs and geysers. Now these underground heat and the water energy is used to produce electricity. Volcanoes are the best example and the best sources of this energy, because volcano गर्म होता है अंदर से, the lava and everything comes outside, and this makes the earth hot, and whenever the water is running above it, the water is also hot and creates mud pools, hot springs or geysers. The Maoris of Australia have been using the hot rocks for cooking for years. So these rocks are used for cooking. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कैसे रॉक हैं वो इतने गर्म है कि आज भी they are used for cooking. Find out the importance of the ring of fire. Now what is ring of fire? Ring of fire is found in the Pacific Ocean and is in the shape of horseshoe. Now what is horseshoe? The horse जो shoe पहनता है ना लोहे का, ठीक है, उसके पैर में लगी होती है. So it is in the shape of U shaped, and it is in the U shaped and वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है, right? And it is in the ocean. तो ocean का water भी बहुत गर्म होता है, and it is the best example for the geothermal energy. Even we can use the agricultural crops for the green energy. How we are going to use it? Some of the crops are used to produce ethanol, like corn, sugar cane, sugar beets, switchgrass. Okay, these are the crops which are used to produce ethanol, and ethanol is used for combustion, internal combustion in engines and fuel cells. So Brazil is one of the largest ethanol mixed gasoline program in the world. Brazil का सबसे बड़ा largest ethanol mixed gasoline program है. It produces ethanol fuel from sugar cane. Brazil produces ethanol from sugar cane, which is mixed or blended with 75% of gasoline. Ethanol fuel is also widely available in USA. It is also available in USA. So here is a quick revision or a quick quiz which we have to attempt after knowing about these facts. The very first question is, which of these energy resources is renewable, यानी कि उसको फिर से renew किया जा सकता है. The very first option is petroleum. No, it will get finished one day. Diesel, again it is oil, वो भी खत्म हो जाएगा. CNG, natural gas, one day it is also going to get finished. So the option is hydroelectric. Okay? So the answer is hydroelectric. Which of these is not a greenhouse gas? The very first option is carbon dioxide. Yes, it pollutes the environment and it is a greenhouse gas. Water vapor is also a greenhouse gas. Even ozone, although it protects us from the UV rays of the sun, but still it contributes to the greenhouse gas because it is a layer. ठीक है, वो layer बनाती है, UV rays को अंदर नहीं आने देती, तो ये heat को भी trap करती है, and that is why the greenhouse effect takes place, and this is why ozone is also a greenhouse gas. So only nitrogen is the gas which is not a greenhouse gas. Now the third option is renewable energy resources. कौन सी resources जो renewable है? Pollute the environment. क्या renewable energy pollute करते हैं environment को? No, we have already seen that they are non-polluting. The next is, are constantly renewed by nature. Yes, ये nature से constantly खुद से ही renew होते रहते हैं. So the B option is the correct option. This source of renewable energy does not depend on weather. इसमें से कौन सा renewable energy जो weather पे नहीं depend करता है? So geothermal energy, weather से उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It is just because of the earth, volcano अंदर से hot already, the earth or the rock is already hot, and it gives you the energy. So the very first option is the correct answer for this question. Last question is, when using solar energy, what do you call the device that absorbs sunlight? जो sunlight absorb करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Sundial? No. Solar collection bucket? No. Solar panel? Yes. Solar panels जो हैं वो sun energy को absorb करते हैं and they convert it into the different form of the energy where whatever we require. Solar panel होते हैं, they convert the solar energy in electricity or in the other form of the energy which we require. So this lesson was all about the green energy, which is non-polluting, very much helpful and can be renewed, and as the time demands, क्योंकि non-renewable energy one day will get finished, so the people are working on these types of energy to harness it and use it in the best way they can. Thank you children and have a good day.